pain, man.
It literally brings you down to hell.
Let me get the Thai one.
Oh.
I might have to step out.
Oh no.
Oh, it's spreading. Oh. Oh, you're back. Welcome. You know what it is. It's Let's Wing It with your boy, Divine Devon. And we're at another spot in South Florida. And we're at Wilton Wings. And it's gonna be fun today. They're actually famously known for a couple of their wings. And we're just gonna go chill out. Got some new guests today. And we got Fat Boy with me.
You just want attention. You don't want my heart.
So we'll see how that goes, and let's just wing it. It's the Jamaican jerk. They got it actually like rubbed on, real dry like, so here we go.
Make me want to slap my mama.
Yo.
Yeah, boy. Hey, mama.
What the hell you want with?
Y'all hear that? Blue cheese is handmade.
I do like the crunchiness.
I do.
A little tough, like you want to bite it a little bit.
On my name. Y'all see that drip drip? Drip drip.
What? You gotta go. Yo, you gotta go all the way. Look, they calling me out. I'm trying to go all the way in. You didn't? Why didn't you pray?
I do. I'm saying as a collective.
Oh,
Let's lead the
Father Lord.
Father God.
So now we're on the Thai chili. About to check it out, see how good it is, and let's dive in.
What highlight you use? That's that dude.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Oh, that's the technique. Show the technique, please.
That's nasty.
It's all in the fingers, all right? You gotta push this finger right here. You gotta push it out. When it's coming out,
Yeah.
Give me that.
Y'all, I can't even eat in peace, bro. It's been all over my nostrils.
I just want to see the details of your teeth while you
Oh no.
crunch
I
into the
look like a
chicken.
horse, bro.
You look like Squidward when he bit into the burger.
The burger.
Right now, we're gonna try out the Pasako. It's actually what they're famous for. It's like lemon pepper with some like buffalo sauce on it. So we're gonna see how that goes.
oh yeah, shit. Oh my God. Ooh, that sauce.
I'm so scared. Red as nothing.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The way that heat come up is like a subtle heat.
Not that bad.
I'm good.
Okay, you said that he sneak up on you. I'm thinking it's caliente.
I'm saying like it rises, but it doesn't keep going to the roof.
Nothing some blue cheese can't fix.
You led me astray. I have been bamboozled, hoodwinked, led astray.
I really feel like that suicide would
It would have hit the spot, bro.
Yo, we would have been driving home like,
Not how much.
Satan's blood.
Got that.
Oh my god.
He only gave us one like that.
Like something demonic.
Which one you gonna try with?
Oh no, I'm still going. I'm gonna try with this one. I'm just gonna put it on top of that.
Why would like that for real? And a real demon. I don't mess with demons, y'all.
And we're just gonna get both of our reactions at the same time.
Of what? I'm not eating this.
No, that's what I'm saying. Like, it's gonna be.
Whose reaction? What do you think I am?
A savage.
That's disgusting.
Ooh, she. That shit.
You ready? So, man,
Get it. Oh, you tripping.
but I'm gonna
That's
do it.
Satan's blood. Oh my
Actually, it looks like blood.
Yeah, oh, it's dripping. Alright, you ready?
No.
Right. You just gonna dip it. Oh, he did. Bro, it's not gonna be that hot. I don't think it's gonna be that hot, to be honest.
Eat it. Eat it.
Yo. Wait, I don't want no water yet. I want to feel this full effect. Whoa.
This shit ruined my pain. Pain, man.
It literally brings you down to hell.
Let me get the Thai one.
Oh. Oh.
I might have to step out.
Oh no.
Oh, it's spreading. Oh.
He needs some milk.
It's like fire ants.
It's getting worse. It's getting worse. Oh my God. It's not getting any better.
It's not going away.
Yes. I can't stop drinking water. Oh.
That's hot. We take that and mix it with a different sauce. It's just like
Hot.
face hot.
We went raw.
I'm gonna need some more water.
Bro, there we go.
No, he just dipped it inside. It was a drop. Oh Lord.
I need some blue cheese.
Oh my God.
I just
Is this still recording?
Bro, come on.
Can I talk like this?
Come on, bro. We gotta do this thing.
All right, number 3, I gotta go with the Prosecco. It's a little spicy. It was good. Just wasn't my favorite. Number 2, I gotta go with the Thai chilies for number 2. That sweet. When I pulled it off, you can see that stickiness, that dippiness. I love it. My number 1, without a doubt, is that Jamaican jerk chicken wing. And we ate it first. Nothing competed. Straight fire. That dry rub, that crunchiness, especially that crunchiness, 10 out of 10.
Satan's blood.
How you feeling from the Satan's blood, bro?
I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. I feel like I'm trying to control my breathing. I feel like this is triggering my asthma right now.
Coming at number 3, Prosecco. Bland, tasteless. Did not like it. Even with the ranch. Coming at number 2, Thai chili. It was sweet. It was very tasteful, seasoned. It was sweet, and I had like a nice little tangy flavor to it. So that one, I love my Asian spices. Mwah, mwah, chef's kiss. Coming at number 1, we have the Jamaican jerk. See, you already know the Jamaican queen has to represent, because that was flavorful, seasoned, nice and tasteful, especially the dry rub with the ranch. Muy delicioso.
This is my review on the Jamaican jerk dry rub. So it's number 3 because it's non-sticky. It was like a little bit oily, but it wasn't like a crazy flavor to it. It had a savory taste, but it was just still dry, and I'm not a fan of dry. I like my things wet, you feel. It wasn't spicy, it was just a mild flavor. It had like a nice crispy and crunchy taste to it. It actually just stays in the back of your tongue, so like when you just you can still taste it. For number 2, I'll definitely say it was the Thai chili. It was non-stick, had like a nice like sauciness to it. I'd even say it was a bit moist on the way that the glaze was on top of the Thai chili. It was mild, there wasn't like any spice to it, very sweet. There was like no need for any sauce like ranch or even blue cheese. It was also crunchy as well. So you know I gotta do number 1 is those Proseccos. Proseccos was definitely spicy, pretty flavorful. The best way to eat it, in my opinion, is get their homemade blue cheese and just dip it in there, just all together. So definitely number 1 for sure. So between meh, okay, good, great, phenomenal, and oh God, So I would definitely put them on like a good. Your boy been doing this, so like I'm gonna keep going. So, you know, always like, subscribe, leave a comment if you have any place that you think I should go to. And I appreciate all of you for watching my videos. I'm gonna keep going as long as I can. I really wanna just go as far as I can. So we're starting in South Florida, but we'll see where we can go next. It's your boy, Divine Devon. I appreciate you watching, and don't forget to turn on that notification. Let's wing it.